My name is Craig.
Amazing. Tell me what you're today.
I've come down for the academy dinner.
Lovely. How long have you been on the academy?
9 months now. Yeah, 9, 10 months.
Tell me about
Yeah, so I joined back in August of last year. And yeah, I've just been coming down here every month. Got 7 rent-to-rents with emergency accommodation now. So we're just currently negotiating like a back-to-back lease with them. And so we don't have a nightly rate. So it's more of a steady income, if you like.
it. Crazy. You've done all that in 7 months.
Yeah.
What were you doing before?
I still work full time. I work for a construction company, so all this has been done by my business partner just in our spare time. So yeah, it generates a decent amount of income. So
Amazing. How important was the training and the academy?
I wouldn't have met my business partner or anything without the training. To be honest with you, and knowing what to do, how to do rent to rent, what to look out for. Don't get me wrong, you still learn a lot on the way, but this gives you like the cornerstone of it and all the mentorship obviously as well. So.
Amazing. What's it like working with Samuel?
Yeah, it's really good. He's always there for you. Will do anything you want him to do. Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Amazing. So a lot of these things you see people kind of landing deals actually in the room. What's
Yeah.
it like to experience that?
It is pretty cool when you're there. I haven't been on a training course for about 6 months, but the energy is amazing when you're doing the training courses. I think being around like a lot of like-minded people, you've all like driven the same way. It's great. That's why I come down here really. It's for the energy, just to give you a boost, to motivate yourself to be around the same sort of people as you really.